How you doing, man? Do you want anything from the shop?
You can get me a caramel latte.
Caramel eye, anything for the dogs?
You can get me a treat for one.
Yeah, no problem. Alright, 2 secs, boss, alright? Latte. There's some dog treats, dog food and everything in there for them. Just some sugar and a stirrer as well. No worries. No, it's alright. One other thing, just in case you need it, there's a care kit with a load of bits and bobs that you might need, alright?
Thank you so much.
Stay safe, alright? Lovely dogs.